So what's up, guys? It's Michael from How Does I Hacks, and we're back for the 7th episode of my HTML CSS series. In this episode, we're going to be doing some CSS, and we're going to be getting ready to actually start building on the website. As you can see, I've added my doc type to the top of my page, transitional, like I said. That's the one I suggest you guys use if you're going to be following along with this tutorial. And so now we're going to go into the header tag. And so now you want to link to a style sheet. A style sheet is where you're going to put all the CSS. I mean, you can put the CSS in the header, but it's a lot nicer and a lot more organized if you put them in its own little sheet. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to do its link. You make a tag, and then you add this is the tag you're using, right? The link tag. But now we're adding attributes to it. So the first attribute is rel. What it means, I have no clue. But it's style sheet. I'm pretty sure that means like type. So the rel is style sheet. The next one we're going to add is we're going to say type is text slash CSS. And then you're going to add the link tag, which says ref or whatever, which kind of gives you, which says like the location. And that is just do dot slash style dot CSS. And that's it. And so now, when you save that, and now we actually need to create a style sheet. So press this little button right here, creates a new thing. And we will file save as style.css. And so now you're going to go here and you're going to find cascading style sheets, which is .css, and now we have .css. Alright, so we're going to go over a few things now. So we're going to make another tag. We're going to go over some of the stuff in CSS. So we're going to make a div tag, and we are going to call it, and we're going to give it the attribute of ID, and then we're going to do equals, and we're going to make its ID equal to apples. Okay. And so now we're going to end, I need to end that. Now we're going to end our div tag. Alright, so now we're going to make another div, and we're going to give it a class. A class is another attribute. And we're going to make our class equal to oranges. And we're going to end that, and we're going to end our div. Okay, so we're going to save this. Now the first thing we're going to go over in the style sheet is we're going to go over, let's say I want to make it so everything inside the body has one certain attribute. So I'm going to give that attribute, so I'm going to say body, right? Nothing in front of it, nothing behind it, just body. And then you're going to make one of these things, do a little one of these. I'm going to scroll in just a bit because I have a hard time seeing those whenever I'm watching a video, so I'm making it easier for you guys. And then I like to press tab to kind of show that it's separated. You don't have to, you can put it on the same level. So I'll just do that right now to make it easy. Okay, so let's say we want to give everything in the body tag a background dash color. Pretty sure that's what it is. And we're going to make this black. And then we just end our body tag. So everything inside, this is all the CSS for that body tag. And we save it. So now we go to our website and we open it up. And now, all the background of the body tag is black. That's CSS right there. CSS in action. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is, let's just make this gray so it's easier to see things. Okay, and so now we're going to do stuff with our ID of, what was it, apples I believe was the ID? Yeah. So you're going to put a hashtag. Hashtag apples. Now, yeah, it's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to do hashtag apples. Pretty sure that's what we did. Apples, yep. Alright, so what this does is it says, okay, go into the HTML, look for anything with the ID of apples. The hashtag shows that it's an ID, right? And if you wanted to, I can make it so it says body, and then hashtag apples. So that would be anything inside the body with the hashtag or with the ID of apples. So you can put multiples of these together, which you'll see once we start getting into some more once we start getting into actually making things, okay? And so we're gonna do this, one of these. We're gonna go down, do another one. And so we're gonna have to do a few more things. So we're gonna want to add a height. Height of, let's give it 200 pixels. And then we're gonna give it a width of 200 pixels. And as you can see, after every single part of CSS, you need to put a little semicolon and to show that it's the end of that. And then just so you can see that we actually added the height and the width, we're gonna add a border of, I'm pretty sure it's 1 pixel, I don't remember how to make them. Let's see, it's 1 pixel, and then let's just add a black border, 1 pixel. Right, I'm pretty sure that should be all the information we need. Sorry, it's been a little while. We refresh. Gray, no border. Oh, we didn't give it a color. I'm pretty sure you have to do 1 pixel, base 1 pixel, and then the color is black. I'll actually go into some more tags. I have to go and look at my reference sheet. You know what? Let's do that right now. Reference sheet for my CSS cheat sheet. This is what I use. I'll put this link in the description. So you go to border. Okay, how does the border work? That's got to do a box modeling. I don't know. Oh yeah, let's just do this. Okay, I got a way of just showing that we changed the height and the width. We'll do background dash color of white. Now that's the first one. Now let's go and do stuff to our class. So we're gonna do a dot, so it shows that there's a class. So the class was oranges, I think. Oranges, yep. And so we're gonna give a height of 20 pixels. Height of 20 pixels, width of 20 pixels, and a background. Oops, didn't close this. Dash color of red. And so let's save that. That's the class. So this is all we're going to really go into today with our HTML. But yeah, next episode we'll go into a lot more. We're actually pretty sure this is all I'm going to be really going over, and then we're actually going to start working on things. Like we're going to go and we're going to create, next episode, we're going to create the nav bar for our website. And as I create this website, it's actually going to be the website that we will be using for our, for the How Does I Hack website. We're going to have to do a bit more of like, I'm not going to like use the exact one, but this is pretty much where I'm going to do most of the coding for it. I might use images and stuff to like for right now I'm not going to use any images for the nav bar, but you'll see I will. It's confusing, but yeah guys, so pretty much that's CSS in a nutshell. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next episode. Please like, favorite, and subscribe, and peace.